Welcome to the online session of Power Plant Engineering. My name is Acharya. Today we will discuss about the introduction of condenser, type of condenser and type of jet condenser. First, Rankine cycle or general layout of thermal power plant. Here main four components: boiler, turbine, condenser and feed pump. Steam condenser is a mechanical device that converts the low pressure exhaust steam from the turbine into the water. Or in the other words, it is a device it is used to condense the exhaust steam of the turbine into the water. It does so with the help of the cooling water circulated into it from the cooling tower. It works to achieve the two main objectives. First objective is to maintain the low pressure below the atmospheric pressure at the outlet of the steam turbine so as to obtain maximum possible energy. Second objective is to supply the pure feed water to the hot well, and from the hot well water is again pumped to the boiler with the help of the boiler feed pump. So extra water requirement is less. Here requirement the steam condensing plant. First is the boiler, steam turbine. Here the arrangement for the steam condenser plant. Here C for the condenser, CD for the cooling tower, CW means the condenser of the cooling water pump. Here the extra water requirement means the make water, and here condensation extraction pump. Here hot well to transfer to the boiler feed pump to the boiler. This is the main device for the steam condensing plant. Here air extraction pump. For the requirement of the condenser, first pass is a condenser. It close vessel used to condense the steam. The lower pressure steam gives off it heat to the coolant. Here water from the cooling water and gas converted into water during the process of the condensation. Second important device is the condensate extraction pump. It is pump which is installed in between the condenser and hot wells in shown figure. It transfers the condensate from the condenser to the hot well. Third part is the hot well. It is a sump that lies in between the condenser and the boiler. It receives the condensate from the condenser by the condensate pump. The feed water transferred from the hot well to the boiler. So next part is the boiler feed pump. It is the pump installed in between the hot well and the boiler. It pumps the feed water from the hot well to the boiler, and this is done by the increasing the pressure of the condenser above the boiler pressure. Next here air extraction pump. It is pumps to the extract the air or remove the air from the condenser. And cooling tower, it is a tower that contains cold water, and it is water is made to circulate within the condenser from the cooling of the steam. And cooling water pump, it is pump lies in between the cooling tower and the condenser. It circulates the cooling water through the condenser. So here the steam condenser working is like steam condenser receive the exhaust steam from one end and come into the contact with the cooling water circulated within from the cooling tower. As the low pressure steam comes into contact with the cooling water, and it condenses and convert into the water. It is connected to the air extraction pump and the condensation extraction pump. After the condensation of the steam, the condensate is pumped to the hot well with the help of the condensation extraction pump. The air extraction pump extracts the air from the condenser and creates vacuum inside it. The vacuum creates the help in the circulating of the cooling water and flow to the condenser in the downward. Our next type of condenser, two types main, jet condenser and surface condenser. Jet condenser is a condenser in which the condensate gets mixed with the cooling water. That's why it is called the mixing type condenser. This type of condenser is used to the sometime because it lowers the sum of the condensate and require the high power for pump during the process of the condenser. In the jet condenser, as the condenser is not free from the salt, so it cannot be used to the as a feed water for the boiler. It can be used at the place where sufficient amount of good quality water is available. Next is the surface condenser. In a surface condenser is a type of the steam condenser in which the steam and the cooling water do not mix with each other, and because of this the wool of the condensate can be used as a boiler feed water. It is also called as a non-mixing type of condenser. In a jet condenser, low level jet condenser, high level jet condenser, ejector condenser, two pass condenser, multi pass condenser, downflow condenser and center flow condenser. Next is the low level jet condenser. In the first for the parallel flow and second figure for the counter flow. Here cooling water enter here and steam also enter. The same part means the parallel flow. Here exhaust steam from the condenser entering direction and cooling water direction here. So it is the counter flow. In the first figure in parallel flow jet condenser, the steam and water enter into the condenser at the top and leave the bottom. The cooling water and steam enter at the top as the both steam and the cooling water mix with each other. The steam condense the condensate cooling water and air moves the downward, and it is removed by the two separate pumps known as the air extraction pump and the condensate extraction pump. The condensate pump transfers the condensate to the hot well, and from the extra water is made to flow into the cooling water tank or pond to the overflow pipe. Our second figure is the counter flow or low level jet condenser. Here the steam enter at the bottom, the cooling water at the top. The steam flow upward and meet the cooling water coming the downward. In this type of the steam condenser, the air pump is located at the top. Air pump create the vacuum, and this vacuum draw the water from the cooling tower. The cooling water enter into the condenser and fall on the perforated conical plate. The perforated conical plate convert the cooling water into the large number of jets as shown in our figure. The falling jet of the water caught in the tray, and from there it escapes out in the second series of the jet and meet the exhaust steam entering at the bottom. As the steam mixes with the water, it gets condensed, and the condensate and cooling water move down through the vertical pipe to the condensate pump, and finally the pump delivered to the hot well. In a high level jet condenser require the extra pump. Here water enter here and exhaust steam enter here. So the flow is the counter flow high level condenser. Barometric or high level jet condenser are provided at the high level with the long vertical discharge tube or tailpipe. It does not have a condensate extraction pump, and the condensate and cooling water flow into the hot well because of the gravity. An injector pump is used to the flow of the cooling water at the top of the condenser. This type of jet condenser are used at a high level with the vertical discharge pipe. In this condenser, the steam enter at the bottom and flow in the upward direction and meet the downward cooling water. Its working is similar as the low level jet condenser. The vacuum is created at the top of the condenser cell with help of vacuum and injector pump. The cooling water is moved to the top of the condenser, and the condensate and cooling water come down in the hot well through the long vertical discharge pipe. And finally the extra hot water flow to the cooling tank or cooling pond by the overflow pipe. Type of condenser is the ejector condenser. It is a non-return valve through the which exhaust steam enters and hollow truncated cones diverging cone. In this condenser, the cooling water is injected at the top and steam enter into the condenser through the non-return valve. The steam and water mixes with each other while the passing through the series of the hollow truncated metal cones, and the steam changes into the water at the end of the metal cones in diverging cone is present. When the condensation passes to the diverging cone, its kinetic energy is partially transferred into the pressure energy, and the condensed and cooling water is then discharged the pipe to the hot well. Thank you.